Hello everyone, this is sort of like a dev vlog. It's just kind of showing uh, basically where things are right now in terms of development. This game is going to be called Nevaro. This application I'm running isn't the game itself. It's just a test that I've made to test out some of the mechanics that I intend to use within the game, like what I can get away with in terms of RPG Maker XP, because that's the program and platform I'm using. And it seems to be working pretty well for what I'm hoping for. I have custom tile sets, as you can see, and this is going to be what the game itself, at least in the first world, looks like. And there will be a demo coming out pretty soon with where you can interact with the first world. You can go behind the trees like that. Makes for it's going to be very exploration based, so that makes for a lot of secret passages that I'm hoping to make, stuff like that, where people can find things that are hidden, much like what I would hope to be like Hyper Light Drifter, but maybe not as intense in terms of overworld gameplay. But a lot of the combat, it's RPG Maker, it's going to be turn-based, but I have my own plans for overworld combat as well, and I'll show you how that works here in a bit. Right now I was just showing off the ladder system. This is a little shack, and in here is a man who will come and chase you, and when he catches you, that's when the turn-based battle starts. So it's not just random encounters. I'm not really a big fan of the whole random encounter thing. It isn't balanced right now, as you can see. It's just kind of, this is just a test application, as I said. So what you're seeing right now is just like stuff that will be in the game, but the level itself and the design is something I just came up with for this. So that's just some of the stuff here, and then as you can see, the ladder slows you down and you face backwards, and I just had to do that with events because RPG XP doesn't have a ladder system. There's a little creature. He's gonna chase you down. Yeah, you pick up some gold. See, there's 200 on the bottom left. And then he comes and I think I let him catch me here. Yeah, just to kind of, The health bars that are there, I don't know if they'll be there in the actual commercial version, because this script, it was posted online, and he said, "Have fun, guys." And this is a years ago post. So while I was making this, at the time I'd assumed that it was fine, but I might be a little more safe with that when I actually release a commercial product, so I don't know if the health bars will actually be in there. I might find some way around, maybe perhaps finding some other ones or something. So here is the ruins, or not, well, it's much like, it seems to be locked. Okay, so it's like a dungeon area, and you pick up a ruin key. I called them ruins because I'm basing like this underground catacombs area off of, if you've ever played Mega Man Legends, there's a large underground maze or labyrinth, and I do want one of those in my game where it's just like there's something underground that just interconnects everything else. So here I'm calling them ruins, but I might call them something else in my actual game. So over here we see a little camp area. He's got some mushrooms, some meat, and we go and talk to him. Let's see. I am trying to sleep, please leave. And I drew the art myself. I will ask once more, please leave me. That's it. Alright, and then I try running away, but because I'm running with the projectile that he shot at me, I just took all that damage over time and just kind of died. I absorbed too much damage. So it should start me back here. Alright. And I'll just go back over to him and show off why I have it the way it is. Oops. Alright, so go around the rat because alright, yeah, I got the ruin key. I'm trying to sleep, please leave. I will ask once more, please leave me. That's it, and then I step out of the way, and you can see that it misses me. And he sits back down. That's pretty much all I got. So I'll use like some sort of overworld projectiles and stuff during like major boss fights, and then they probably go into a turn-based combat system. Over here you can see if I step into the rat's box, I call it box, not really a zone, because he chases me then, and then he slows down and gets tired. But basically how I have it working out is that if you step... Oh, hold on, I'll explain in a moment. Okay, so here we got this laser system. It's kind of a trap. It goes off. I didn't want to stay in it too long because it is damage over time like before, and I don't want to just die. So what happened was I was trying to take a little tiny bit of damage, but here it comes. I accidentally stayed in it too long anyways, and my character died. And I didn't have an event running on this page that checked for that and caused game over though, so thankfully we don't have to worry about that. You press this switch and the laser turns off. We got caught by the wolf. Alright, and that should be it. So what I was explaining with the rat earlier was I have him in a little kind of box area where he's just kind of walking in circles, and if you step into that box, then he chases you down. Unfortunately, I don't know how to make it to where it's wherever his proximity is even after that, because he's going to get tired after chasing you if you escape him, and then if you walk into that same box again, he's just going to chase you again, but it's not really relative to exactly where he is, it's more relative to that box, so I just had to deal with that, I suppose. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully there will be more to come. I intend to release a demo fairly soon with an extensive level of gameplay, so once that comes out, definitely tell me what you guys think. It'll be free to download, and I'll post it on itch.io, which is a free game development platform. So I'll see you guys later.